While most natural resources replenish over time, we, as consumers, often use these resources at an unsustainable rate. These natural resources retain a high value as scarcity and demand both increase. One example, with economic and environmental concerns, has been squalene, a triterpene molecule often extracted from the livers of sharks. Demand for squalene back in 2019, pre-COVID, was estimated at an unsustainable 30 million sharks required to meet market demand. Now, that has risen with the increased production of vaccines and pandemic readiness measures. And demand may surge yet again, as the first clinical trial investigating the efficacy of squalene microemulsion for treatment of COVID-19 has found evidence that this triterpene can lead to clinical improvement of symptoms in ICU-admitted COVID-19 patients. Currently, in the world, there is a need for a rapid, renewable source of squalene. So what else is driving the squalene market? What else is it used for? Squalene is valued in the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry because squalene acts as a UV protectant and radical quenching molecule, which our bodies recognize. Squalene is the skin's natural way to coat and protect skin from environmental aggressors, pollution, and free radicals that enter the epidermis and create issues with collagen and elastin. This is also why it makes an ideal vaccine adjuvant. So, how do we sustainably source scarce natural resources like squalene? Well, at SynShark, we do it by applying novel biotechnology to traditional ag production systems. SynShark LLC aims to create an economically viable source of squalene from American-grown tobacco. We apply genetic technologies developed with Texas A&M University and North Carolina State University to produce squalene in metabolically engineered tobaccos. Tobacco has a long-rooted history in the U.S., and we seek to make it part of America's future as well. The cultivation history and infrastructure allow for needed scalability as market demand increases. We seek to not only disrupt the market by fixing a broken supply chain and to provide a natural product from a renewable resource, but also create American jobs and save the sharks. We are SynShark.